The nature of nature is endless brutal attacks. Lions dominate the grasslands with force. Lions are ready to kill anyone who enters their territory. Have you ever seen a lion attack a leopard or a cruel lion eating a hyena? Right now, let's explore 20 most ruthless lion attacks ever recorded. Lions are top predators, and they do not accept living with any predators in their territory. Discovering a herd of noisy white dogs in the opposite forest, the dominant male lions fiercely rushed to attack. Too scared, the white dog pups quickly ran away. The white dog pups caught by the male lion were all killed and then eaten on the spot. Hunger is the source of lions' cruel hunts. The lions hide in the bushes. They suddenly approach the zebra herd. When the distance was close enough, the lion began to accelerate and pounce on the nearby zebra, completely giving the zebra no chance to resist. The lion pride begins its meal right at the scene. Desperately, despite the risks, the hyena clan tried to reach the lion pride's unfinished meal. Despite warnings from the lions, the hyena clan continued to make the lions really angry. The battle was fierce, more prominent in strength. The lions attacked ruthlessly, causing many hyenas to be seriously injured. The hungry black-backed jackal tried to approach the male lion with the intention of getting some food. The thief who created this newspaper greatly underestimated the king of the grasslands. The male lion angrily took his prey and left. The black-backed jackal tried to fall, completely forgetting that this was the territory of the lion pride. The lions were trying to hunt the antelopes nearby, but the appearance of the black-backed jackal ruined everything. The anger was transferred to the black-backed jackal. The lioness frantically chased the black-backed jackal and beat it to death on the spot. Hiding in the bushes, the crocodile quickly took over the food of the lions had just hunted by the water hole. Hunger made the crocodile forget that the grassland was the lion's territory. The crocodile tried to run away under the fierce attack of the lion pride. The powerful claws of the lions continuously whipped the crocodile's body. With great difficulty, the crocodile was able to escape the attack and luckily returned to the river alive. The lion pride surrounded and attacked the powerful buffalo. A wild buffalo that reacted slowly was captured by lions, who surrounded and controlled its prey from all sides. The wild buffalo is becoming quite panicked and confused. The brutal attack of the pride caused the buffalo to gradually weaken and finally fall. The lion pride quickly finishes off its prey and enjoys the meal. Prolonged hunger leaves the cheetahs with no choice. They recklessly hunt in lion territory. Very quickly, the cheetah intrusion was discovered by the dominant male lions. The male lion approached the cheetah, grabbed the cheetah's head, and decisively attacked and killed him on the spot. When hungry, any animal can become a lion's meal. The hippo leisurely foraging on the grasslands is too subjective. Grasslands are where lions can maximize their strength. Once targeted by a lion, the chance of survival is quite low. The lion's attack from behind left the hippo unable to resist and could only accept his fate. The size of the prey cannot make it difficult for lions, whether they are giant elephants or huge giraffes. Lions always have intelligent coordination in every action. They hunt extremely professionally. Even though they are many times larger than lions, elephants and giraffes are still herbivores. Lions have very quick reflexes. They often attack their prey's weak points, completely giving them no chance to resist. Those who try to confront the lions usually do not end well. The notoriously greedy hyenas are trying to steal prey in the lion's territory. Lions are not easy to bully. The male lion's attack makes the hyenas run away in fear. A stupid hyena was caught. Lions rarely eat hyenas. This is quite rare in the grasslands. This is like a warning from lions to hyenas. Facing the urge of hunger, the lions completely lost control. They abandoned the majesty of the leader and began to dig holes in the ground. After a while of digging efforts, the lion successfully pulled out a warthog from the cave. Hunger made the lions even more ferocious, constantly bringing and biting the warthog with pitiful cries. Spotting wildebeest in the grasslands, the